You want to get started with Zenithstake affiliate marketing, or you want to find out how it works? In this video, I will share an insider secret to earning up to 50 to 100,000 naira every single week on Zenith affiliate marketing platform. My name is Zenithstake. I teach on skilled affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays them up to 100,000 naira every single week. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. We're going to discover what is Zenithstake affiliate marketing all about. 3 steps no fail system that can generate you up to 120,000 naira every week. Is Zenithstake legit? What is Zenithstake affiliate marketing? How to make money on Zenithstake platform. The bonus, how to promote your affiliate link on social media platform. All right, if you stay with me at the end of this video. All right, now in order to answer the question, is Zenithstake legit? This is what other people are saying about Zenithstake platform. All right, this person says, her name is Gift Columbus. Plenty money is on the internet. When are you getting your share? Stop wasting your data online. $123 paid to me this morning from my daddy, which is Zenithstake affiliate platform, thanks to my Odogu mentor. All right, this person says, I am proud to say I'm a young girl who is very intentional about her life. I keep learning and earning every day. Zenithstake, thank for this great opportunity that you have given to me. All right, congratulations Francisca Umweze for this massive earning, over 1.5 million cashed out on Zenithstake. If you can dream it, you can achieve it. Just put in the work. All right, I still can't believe it that a business I started with just 20k has just made me a multimillionaire even in my 20s. All right, so these are what people are saying. These are review of Zenithstake platform. All right, now let's go to the next one. What is Zenithstake all about? Let's go to Google and then we're going to search Zenithstake affiliate marketing. Stay with me and let me show you something. All right, I promise you at the end of this video you're going to understand how to make so much money on this platform. So follow me step by step as I show you how to do so. Now I searched on my Google browser what is Zenithstake, just Zenithstake affiliate marketing. Now all these things are ad. So now look at Zenithstake platform at the Zenithstake website. Now if you scroll down, let me show you. If you are going to see buy Zenithstake affiliate program by Evix Germany, this is me here. When you click on this, all right, because we are going to learn what is Zenithstake is all about. I've made it to be concise. All right, this is my article on Zenithstake. So we want to understand what is Zenithstake affiliate marketing all about. And if you scroll down here, it tells you that Zenithstake is a platform where you get paid promoting other people's digital products and earn up to 50 to 70% commission on sales. Yes, Zenithstake connects buyer and seller together. Mind you, on this platform, what we only say here is digital products. I don't know if you are seeing people telling you for you to learn video editing, graphic design, content creation, marketing on TikTok. So those content, those products that you cannot see with your eyes, but you can purchase it and then learn it on the internet and then implement it. That is what is called digital product. On Zenithstake, you get paid up to 50 to 70% commission on each sale that you make on the platform. Do you understand? So now Zenithstake specifically sell digital products. Now when you get started with Zenithstake platform, there is a course called Smart Course. When you get started with Zenithstake, you have access to Smart Course for free, and you will learn affiliate marketing, Facebook marketing, WhatsApp marketing, copywriting, Twitter marketing, and all of that, and on. It is being listed on the platform. It's going to teach you how to promote your affiliate marketing precisely on the internet and make money from it. Okay, so the platform gives you access for you to have access to other digital products, become a part of the community, you join WhatsApp group, you can ask questions that you need. All right, for you to get started in the Zenithstake platform is going to cost only 12,000 naira for you to get access to the platform. All right, coupled with each individual has how much they charge for their mentorship. Okay, and this is overview of what Zenithstake affiliate marketing is all about. Now let me show you how to promote on Zenithstake platform and then make money for yourself. Let me show you how to do so right now. I want to show you something, how to promote your products effectively and then make money, all right, on internet. And look at my name here. As I've told you, my name is Zenithstake Germany. On all the platform, YouTube, TikTok, internet, you can search me on the web. All right, www.zenithstakegermany.com.ng. all right, and all the platforms. Now I want to show you how to make money on this platform called Zenithstake affiliate marketing. Now, if you watch here now, you're going to see in naira I've made over 225,000, 170 naira. In Nigerian naira, I've made 171 Ghana cedis, and then Uganda shilling. All right, promoting on Zenithstake affiliate marketing platform. All right. Now, in order for you to make much money in this platform, you need to understand that Zenithstake platform is not a Ponzi scheme. Connect with people that are searching for your product, and then you explain to them. You're going to exchange value with them. You tell them how what you have is going to benefit them. All right, and in turn they purchase, you make a commission. So you must sell in order for you to make money in this platform called Zenithstake platform. All right, and that is why after figuring it out, and I created a system called the CDM method, which is capture direct method, where I teach my students how to create clue graphic, how to write copy that sells, and then how to make a killer offer and then close sales. So this framework can make anyone who masters it to become extremely successful in online business, most especially on Zenithstake. Okay. So if you want to learn more or you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and I'll do well to attend to all your questions. And I've kept the link in the description. If you want to get started on Zenithstake, you click on it to get started, or you go on Google and search. You're going to see the name that bears Effects Germany store. You click on it, you're going to contact me there. Okay. If you want to learn how to promote effectively on social media platform, your affiliate link, watch this video here and it's going to walk you through. All right. See you later. Bye for now.